metal. Some main mechanical property of metal are elasticity, plasticity, ductility, brittleness, malleability, toughness, and hardness. Now let's understand all these properties one by one. Elasticity. To understand elasticity, let's take an example of rubber band. When we stretch this rubber band, the shape of rubber band gets deformed, and when we stop stretching rubber band, it gets its original shape and size. So we can say that elasticity is the property of material by virtue of which a material can regain its original shape and size after the removal of load. In stress versus strain diagram, within the elastic limit, the loading and the unloading curve will follow the same path. Plasticity. Plasticity is the reverse of elasticity. So the plasticity of a material is its ability to undergo some degree of permanent deformation without rupture or failure. So we can say that plasticity is the property of material by virtue of which a material cannot regain its original shape and size after the removal of the load. In stress versus strain diagram, after the elastic limit, the loading and the unloading curve will not follow the same path. Ductility. To understand ductility, let's take a metallic bar. This metallic bar, when subjected to axial tensile load, can be drawn into a wire. So ductility is the ability of a metal to withstand elongation under tension without rupture, or in other words, ductility is the property of material which enable it to draw out into thin wire. Common metal in decreasing order of their ductility are gold, silver, platinum, iron. Brittleness. Lack of ductility is brittleness. To understand brittleness, let's also take another metallic bar. This metallic bar, when subjected to axial tensile load, we notice that bar does not elongate and fail. So we can say that brittleness of a metal is the property of breaking without much permanent distortion. Some brittle metals are glass, cast iron, etc. Malleability. To understand malleability, let's take an example of silver metal piece. When we pass this silver metal piece through a roller, it gets deformed into thin sheet of a metal due to compressive load applied by roller. So malleability is the ability of metal to withstand deformation under compression without rupture, or in other words, it is the property of material by virtue of which a material can be rolled out into a sheet without rupture. This property generally increases with the increase of the temperature. Common metal in decreasing order of malleability are gold, silver, copper, and aluminium. Toughness. To understand toughness, let's take a stress strain curve for ductile material. In figure, from point O to F, shaded portion indicate energy absorption capacity of material before fracture. So toughness is the measurement of amount of energy a material can absorb before failure take place. The toughness of metal is expressed as a energy absorbed. Toughness is related to impact strength, that is resistance to shock loading. For example, if a load is suddenly applied to a piece of mild steel and then to a piece of glass, the mild steel will absorb much more energy before failure take place. So mild steel is tougher than glass. Hardness. To understand hardness, let's take an aluminium block and a cast iron block. Now when we apply some amount of pressure or impact on both, we see that there is a penetration mark on aluminium block but not on cast iron block. This is because cast iron block is harder than aluminium block. So hardness is defined as a resistance of material to penetration. Diamond is the hardest known material. Hard material are chosen for the manufacturing of cutting tool. Hardness of any metal is tested by various methods like Rockwell hardness test.